Alright, going in with some more Burglar Rogue. It is my favorite deck at the moment. I changed it a bit from last time. I realized I had a lot of cards that didn't really use much. Nefarian was kind of one of them, but he's still in here. I just think he's amazing.
The light shall bring victory.
Watch your
Got rid of the preparations, I think. Went with lower costing cards. For the most part, yeah. Put 0 Drakes in there. These guys, yeah. Sergeants. Starting out with 2 of them.
Get in there and fight, maggot!
So pretty much kill whatever he puts out. All these tools.
Are you my master?
Your minions think you are weak.
We have Sever my wrath!
But yeah, this is the randomness these dudes give you in Burgle. Being able to pull off combos from other people's decks. It's pretty sweet.
Here we go.
Not the best. Man, the whole time Karazhan was going on, I was like, when is Ethereal Peddler going to come out? Because these guys, I think they came out first, second week, I think. Something like that. I don't want to deal with it right now. I'm going to avoid my problems.
More soul!
You want to buy a okay?
Oh, see, I love that. I love this. Oh, I'm gonna make it cheaper too. Player turn.
Do you
7,
know the secret
yeah.
handshake?
Oh, I want to do that first. Yeah, gotta do that first. Just for the. Oh my god. Wow.
Get in there and fight, maggot!
It's pretty good. This is gonna be supreme value. You won't know what's coming. The only thing that would be better is Brand Bronzebeard came out right now. Make these cost 4 less. Nah. I should play him first though.
Need something
What's died so far?
unusual?
Swashbuckler. Yeah, Resurrect. Isn't that good right now?
Sever my wrath!
But these chicks. Gonna be like, wow, where'd he get, he got one of those? That's crazy. Wow, he got another one. What the heck?
We have the power!
I'll take that. Take this time to consider your past deeds. Here we go.
You face Jaraxxus, Eladol, Lord of the Burning Legion!
I'll take that.
A tiger?
Draxus. Pretty cool. Oh, I can't believe I got 2 of them.
I wonder.
Wow. But you know what? You know what?
Incredible. Take this time to consider your past deeds.
Sever my wrath! I know!
Here we go.
I can wait and fish all day.
Man. Yeah, my lord.
I'll take that.
Wait, could I have killed him? No. Yeah.
Blessed
No.
be this funnel cake!
I think I needed one more damage.
Secrets will uncover.
I feast upon the light.
Oh, nice save. Let's see. Well, first of all, let's see who do I get.
I dream and the world trembles.
That's pretty good.
One last bite.
Here we go.
Give me that! Confess.
Did not even catch me anything. Nat, you're a terrible fisher.
I must consider.
He has Entomb. No, that's 6 mana. Could see who I resurrect.
Caught one.
Oh, Nat, you're the best fisher.
Who knows what secrets will uncover?
This guy's toast.
Confess.
I shall bring the rest.
That's not a battle cry? Oh, it's a combo. Yeah. It's a pretty sweet demonstration of how that deck is the best. I'm sure we'll get one in there where the deck doesn't get me much at all. Just so you can see the up and downs.
Valera versus Malfurion. I must protect the wild.
Watch your back.
And I'm always tempted to keep a burgle. I think... No, I shouldn't. Yeah, this is pretty good. It should even be a contemplation to keep a burgle.
Let's dance.
Are you my master?
Yeah, not really.
Mind if I roll knee?
You're just gonna kill it. Oh, that sucks.
I go.
Oh, that means he probably won't do much next turn if he kills it with that. Then I can ramp, I guess. Does that help me do much? What did I do at 4? I wouldn't do anything at 4. Yeah, that works.
You want to buy a funnel cake?
Oh, excuse me, 5. I guess I could play him. Oh well. I mean, this isn't bad. Counters that. See what I get.
One.
Oh, that's not good.
The land serves
I think
me.
the slime would be better. Don't need that extra mana too much. I got a coin here. I'll substitute that for a turn.
Where shall I start?
Let's see. So uneven, it hurts.
Here we go. I can't do it.
Feel my wrath. Where shall I start?
Another one.
This guy's
Feel
toast.
my wrath.
This Raven's always pretty cool. Oh, these tanks. That's pretty good.
Get in there and fight, maggot!
Hey, lights out.
Here we go.
Feel my wrath.
Man, that was a good draw.
What to do?
Oh wow, swipe.
Need something.
Mind if I roll knee?
Burgo right now would be nice. Or just some to get my cards back. Guess that counts, but... Nefarian. Yeah, that'd be good. Hey, Burgle. My prayers have been answered. Oh, perfect.
Listen closely.
Another raven. Oh, that heal is gonna help. Such a waste to use that there. He only has 2 cards though, so I'm not too worried about what he might throw out. Except Cthulhu. Wow, they both lived. Gotta heal. I can't kill him right now. I think I just use this to get another card. Wait, can I kill it? Take a lot of damage. Yeah. Take a lot of damage.
Get in there and fight, maggot!
That heal is great. Heal is amazing.
A symphony of terror begins.
All these big cards. Attack him. Attack him. So you can do 8 damage next turn, considering what that card is, or next card. Just have to hope I get something.
Wild is mine to control.
Mulch would be good if I had 1 more extra mana. Just 1 more.
Here we go.
I think holding on to them is the best. This game is done, probably. Yeah. Well, that was the instance of that deck not working out. I got good cards overall, I think. Those ravens I kept getting though didn't help much.